Okay, so let's talk about other options for moisture solutions that are outside of the facial area. So we've talked about great daily hydrators that we have available. I think there's 8 to 10 in total, just as daily facial moisturizers. So if somebody can't find a good fit with all those options, it's a bad day, right? So now let's look at some different angles and other solutions we have available, because there's other parts of our bodies, right? So the first thing I want to mention is our Satin body lotion. We have that lotion that's great for the whole body. We also have our toning lotion. For some reason, the actual name is escaping me. Targeted Action Toning Lotion, I believe. That's the one I use. It has a firming agent to help tighten up your skin, and uses caffeine to stimulate the breakdown of fat and cellulite and stuff like that. Sounds good to me. So I use that one for my whole body, so I find I don't get scaly legs and all that in the wintertime. Also, we have the, of course, Shea hand cream from the Satin Hands collection, as well as the Shea lip balm. That is for the Satin Lips collection, and these are awesome. What I love about this lotion is it doesn't leave a residue on your hands. You don't have that greasy feeling. It really absorbs well, and the next time you wash your hands, you're not going to feel the slime off of the lotion that never absorbed. It really absorbs in, and it does a good job. So I really like our hand cream. We do have fragrance free, as well as the white tea and citrus. With the Satin Lips Balm, this baby hydrates your lips for 6 hours. 6 hours. So way better than a chapstick. Chapstick is for protection. It's to block the wind and block the cold from getting too much damage done, but it doesn't change what's going on with your lips themselves. This does. You put it on, you let it absorb, and it actually delivers hydration to your lips, so it changes the game. That is amazing. And so I have tons of women and boys and girls and men who use this product because it's a little shiny for 10 minutes and then it's gone. So it's not going to be weird for a guy to use, and they get crusty lips just like we do. So love me some Satin Lips Balm. Now this is a new product in our line that's filling a lot of roles. It's our moisturizing stick. And so it's designed to be versatile. So if you get dry spots or patches on your face, even with a great moisturizer, this can fill that spot. So you can use it in like a dry spot if you get them. You can also use it for lips. I've had people who are loving using it on their lips. It's just a different approach to moisturizing the lips, elbows, knees, feet, all the dry, crusty things. This moisturizing stick is awesome. I have some customers who deal with some very extreme dryness and peeling and things around the eyes and lips, and she has now bought 2 of these within a month because it's doing so well for her and for her son. And so that's really a good tip. Then we have a couple specialty products. These are kind of like treat products that can make a big difference. So we have the Biocellulose Mask, and this baby is for amazing moisture delivery on the face. And so when you have this mask, if you guys haven't tried it, you literally put it on. It's quite an intense experience, and you leave it on for 20 minutes. Oh, hello. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
I'm almost done.
Okay.
Not right now. I'll tell you in a minute. Okay, not right now. The Biocellulose Mask is going to deliver 24 hours of hydration. It's an intense drink of water for the skin, and literally makes a difference immediately. This is phenomenal product. Then I actually have customers who will pay to do a treatment with me because it's just like a breath of life for their skin. So it's amazing. And then they don't pay me, they just pay to do one treatment, pay for the cost of one treatment, if that makes sense. Then the Moisture Renewing Gel Mask. This is also amazing in the wintertime. And so it's a very like gel feel, and they can put it on to fresh skin in the evening, and it can go onto your skin and you can sleep with it on. And so it's hydrating and putting good moisture into your skin. It helps with the resiliency, it helps with the glow and the brightness of the skin by using this. And so this is kind of a twice a week type of thing, but does a really, really great job of delivering some moisture. And what's cool is this is good for all skin types. So oily, dry, normal, it is very balancing. It's not heavy, it's just a balancer, and it really delivers some great moisture. So hopefully that gives you some more tools in your tool belt for your own skin. What do you need? What does your skin need? And then also you can help the people in your life as they walk through the winter season as well. There's one more product that I didn't remember I had sitting here, and it is our hand softener, or our extra emollient night cream. Long-standing, well-loved, super thick, crazy thick products for moisture. And so this can be a really great solution to put on your hands or your feet overnight. I've even had people with very extreme lip problems put this on their lips at night. And it has tons of moisture that can soak in with some gloves or socks or something to really penetrate deeply. And so our hand softener or extra emollient night cream, whichever one, they're very similar, is an amazing option for some rich moisture. Okay? So that's some fun tips and ideas that can support you this winter and the people that you know.